everyone, hi, my name is Iskandar. I'm here at Glojas Aesthetic Clinic. 2 months ago, I did the beard hair transplant, and the reason why I did it here because my beard was kind of patchy, and I always desire to have a nice beard. When I check online and try to find the best clinic, I find that they can do it here, so that's why I'm here today. Why I choose Glojas is because searching it online, so I found the review is really good. I decided to contact them and they said they have a free consultation. So I decided to come and do the consultation. After the consultation, I met with Dr. Jas, and he's really gives full attention in terms of designing the beard. I felt that is the most important. I quickly said that, okay, I'm going to proceed with the procedure. Dr. Jas is a certified and licensed and also a diplomat member of American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. That's why I felt like my confidence is there on him. The procedure was pretty smooth. I was surprised that it wasn't painful at all because of Dr. Jas' experience. He gave me enough anesthesia to make me feel comfortable. Even the healing process was just smooth because everyone here, they really take good care of me. For the whole 2 weeks was just smooth sailing.